Look at that monster. I'm not even sure how to pick it up. Howdy, y'all. Welcome back to another episode of Griddle Porn, where I just sit here and stuff my face. Today I'm taste testing at Nick's Drive-In in Chicago on Harlem Avenue. It's an older place with the typical gyros and Chicago dogs and hamburgers, and they've got a smoker inside, so they got some ribs that sound pretty good, smell good, the usual. And this time we've got a Gyro. It's a biggin. I believe I've reached celebrity status because he took one look at me and threw in an extra tzatziki sauce and stuffed it. Actually, this is an old-timer place. They greet people at the door. They say bye when people are leaving. Pretty cool. Pretty cool folks. The guy at the Gyro station sure knew what he was doing, watching him carve it. Anyway, just look at the size of this. I don't know where to begin. Let's try. I have something on my beard, don't I? Why didn't you tell me? Okay, that's... one, that's a lot of food. That's 2 meals. And 2, it's messy. I'm wearing more on my face than I got in my mouth. And I got a big mouth. And 3, I should have gotten more napkins. Anyway, yeah. It's a thumbs up. I'm not quite sold on the tzatziki yet. Maybe I'm just not deep enough into the sandwich, but it's pretty good. And really want to come back and try some of the other stuff in the menu, like the burgers and the ribs, and I forget what else. Chicago dog, because I'm in Chicago. Anyway, thanks for watching, and come back again and watch me stuff my face some more. And I'm going to try to figure out how to work my way down to the bread, because so much. Anyway, see you next time. Bye.